I realized I wasn't using Olaplex correctly, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use it correctly and just how I use it in my routine. Ever since I started using it properly, my hair has been thriving, so healthy. It's grown so much, which is crazy because I just had a baby 3 months ago. You would think that my hair would feel not healthy, like it would feel like it was thinning, but it doesn't. I really think it's the Olaplex. So I'm just going to walk you through my routine. This is day 5 hair. It is so oily. First thing I'm going to do is brush out my hair. I'm using this really cute yellow unbrush. Next, I'm going to do a clarifying shampoo, just shampoo. I'm going to be using the Way Detox shampoo. I like this one because it is extremely strong, so it will strip everything off of my hair, which is essential for the following step. And I am not only going to shampoo my roots, but I'm also going to shampoo the lengths and the ends of my hair. I know it's weird to see me shampoo my hair outside of the shower, but there's a reason that I'm doing this, which I will explain in a few minutes. I just rinsed out the shampoo, and now I'm going to remove as much excess water from my hair that's possible for me to remove. And I'm going to try to do it as gently as possible. Now I'm going to use Olaplex No. 0. I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections first. I like to wear gloves when I'm applying Olaplex No. 0 because it allows me to apply a lot of it without worrying about it getting on my hands and irritating my skin. And I just apply this all over my hair. And a tip is to apply it pretty close to your hair, like this, because the spray is pretty direct. I just have found that it's just easier to get your hair fully saturated in it when you apply it like really close. Then I put this section up and then move on to the other side. Now the other side is done. I'm just gonna clip these 2 sections together and take off my gloves. So then what I do is I take a hair drying towel. This one is by Dry Bar, and I put it in a towel warmer that we have. And I leave it in there for about 20 minutes. If you don't have a towel warmer, you can put it in the microwave, and I just wrap my hair in this. The reason why I like to put the towel in the towel warmer for this step is because the heat is going to help to incubate the treatment. It's going to help to strengthen the treatment as it sits on your hair. So I only leave this on for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, I take my hair out of the hair drying towel, and then I apply Olaplex No. 3. So for Olaplex No. 3, I do 3 big globs. I start with 1 big glob on one side. I saturate my hair from the roots to the ends in Olaplex No. 3, and I really try to focus on areas of my hair that I know are damaged and that I know have a lot of like split ends and breakage. Then I go into the other side using the same amount of the hair perfector, doing the same thing, like the same method of application. And then I take 1 final glob of Olaplex No. 3, and I just saturate it in my hair from the roots to the ends again, but instead of doing it like section by section, I just do 1 last saturation over all of my hair. I put my hair back up in this towel, and then I wait a half hour. Then I go in the shower and I rinse out my hair, and I use Olaplex No. 4 and Olaplex No. 5. When I get in the shower, first I rinse Olaplex 0 and 3 from my hair. I spend about 3 to 4 minutes doing this. I use warm water, borderline hot water. Once everything is rinsed out from my hair, then I move on to shampoo. This is my favorite shampoo at the moment. It's the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance shampoo. I just use about a dime size amount for the first wash, and I lather it within my hands thoroughly. Sometimes I'll have to add a little bit of water just to get the lather really going, but once there's like a ton of bubbles, once it's super sudsy, super slippery, then I can start shampooing. And I shampoo for 3 minutes. I know that sounds like a long time, but that is just the perfect amount of time where I'm able to shampoo thoroughly every section of my scalp. Sometimes I'll add some water while I'm shampooing just to get even more of a lather, just to like spread the shampoo out even more. Another thing with this shampoo, an issue that I had when I first used it was that I was not lathering it enough. So when I went to shampoo my hair, it was all just staying on one section of my hair because I wasn't lathering it enough. So that's really the key with this shampoo. You really need to lather it, and adding water while you're lathering it within your hands, while you're lathering it on your actual scalp, that is really gonna help. Once you get it to work effectively, it is literally the best shampoo. I love it. Then I rinse out with warm water and I go in for the second shampoo, and this is the last time that I'm gonna shampoo. This time it's just really quick, usually about 30 seconds. Also because my scalp and hair is clean by the time I shampoo a second time, it's just a lot easier to spread this shampoo around on my scalp. So that's another reason why I only spend about 30 seconds. After shampooing, I wring out my hair. I try to get as much of the water out as possible gently, and then I condition my hair. So with the number 5 conditioner, I also like to lather this within my hands. Of course, it's not going to get bubbly or sudsy like the shampoo did. This is just going to make it easier for me to spread the conditioner throughout the lengths and the ends of my hair. This conditioner is thick, so if I don't lather it within my hands before I apply it, it's just going to stay on one section of my hair. It's going to be kind of hard to spread out. So by getting it all over my hands, then it's so much easier for me to evenly distribute it throughout the lengths of my hair. Therefore, my hair feels better after because all of the ends have been conditioned as opposed to just a few sections. Usually I leave conditioner in for 3 minutes, and I do that with this conditioner, but with this specific conditioner, I actually will massage it into my hair for 3 minutes. So I'm not putting my hair up in a claw clip and just leaving it there for 3 minutes. I'm actually massaging the conditioner throughout my hair for the 3 minutes before I rinse it out. Then for the heat protectant, instead of the number 7 bonding oil, lately I've been using the number 9 serum, and I just love this on damp hair before I'm gonna blow dry my hair. The consistency is perfect for my hair. It's really easy to blend out because of how slippery it is. I do 2 pumps just to make sure that I'm getting as much heat protection as possible all throughout my hair, and I really like this because you can apply a lot and it doesn't weigh your hair down, but you know that you're getting the benefits from it and that every inch of your hair is going to be protected from heat styling. So in this video, I'm using the Dyson airstrait, and that's just how I blow dried my hair on this day. And to finish off the hair, the Olaplex hair, I use the number 7 bonding oil. I used to really like this as a heat protectant. Lately, I prefer to use it as a finishing oil just to lock everything in, to make my hair look extra shiny, to reduce any frizz that I might have. It's just a really great finishing product to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to try some different things with your Olaplex products. If you have any other Olaplex hair tips, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.